Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at a brand new arrival and a brand new floor plan for 2022. This one, the 32 BHFS, nice bunkhouse family camper. We're going to take a look at the inside in a sec. We'll do a quick tour of the outside. There's your outdoor kitchen now. It's a little shorter than what you've been seeing most of the year from us, and there's a reason for that. You're going to have 4 bunks inside, but you've got a gray stone flat top grill, got a sink plumbed in, little storage unit underneath, and you've got a nice little fridge here. Keep your beer and water cold. Pop for the kids, juice boxes, whatever you want to put in there. But a full feature, and that will slide out as well. I've just got it popped open now because it literally just got dropped off, but you can see the rails here. That'll slide right out so you can get comfortable and do your cooking on the outside. Got a ladder installed on this one so you can get up to the top. This one has 4 slides total. You'll see the benefit of that once we get inside, but this slide on the camp side gives you the island kitchen that you're going to see here in a minute. There's your awning. Covers the front half of the trailer, gives you a nice outdoor space. Outdoor speakers on this one, those are backlit with LED lights, and there's an LED strip under the awning as well. Solid state steps to come in, nice on the ground, nice and stable as you walk in. So as you come through the door, you see a nice trifold couch on the slide. You've got your booth dinette that'll drop down to create a little extra living space. So let's keep count. We've got 2 sleeping here, we've got 2 sleeping here. We've got the slide here, we've got storage above. Here's your kitchen. We saw that slide on the outside, so your kitchen items are all on the slide. You've got your range, 3-burner cooktop, microwave above, 12-volt fridge, great storage underneath, and your island kitchen with the high-rise faucet. Nice feature this year, they're including a little hardwood insert. So you've got a little bit of a cutting board there as well as the roller to keep everything covered and give you that extra bit of space to maybe set a drink on, dry your dishes on, that sort of thing. Pantry's beautiful in this one, tucked into the corner out of the way. Got a little pantry here to keep all your groceries with you while you're away. Entertainment center, got your 31-inch gray stone fireplace, Bluetooth stereo, and your TV all plumbed in and ready to go. Bathroom on this one's a corner shower, full-size sink, medicine cabinet, foot flush toilet, little towel rings all set up there. I like this feature too. It's just a little night light that'll keep a little bit of light on here if you're coming in late at night to use the washroom. Heading into the bedroom. Bedroom's on a slide, so we step in, you see your cabinet here to keep some clothes. You've got a nice closet here, and then a full-size wardrobe as well here. Shelves on either side of the bedroom. The full queen-size bed, storage above, and nice floor space here with that slide being on the off-camp side. So we'll head back to the rear of the trailer now. The star of the show is that it's actually 3 bunks and a pull-out trifold couch. So one of the bunks is folded up. You've got the trifold couch here as well, and over here you've got nice, I'd say those are full single-size bunks, so you're not your average small bunk. You've got enough room there for a teenager to grow, get a little bit more size in there if you need to. And although we got them wrapped up, nice teddy bear finish on the mattresses. USB chargers here as well, so everyone can keep all their devices charged. You've got that nice faux barn board finish on the back wall as well. So again, brand new floor plan to us this year from Puma. Come on down and see us here at Leisure Time Sales. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton. We'll find a trailer just for you. We'll keep the videos rolling out for you folks as the new units arrive.